Welcome back, YouTube. It's your girl Magda Silva. We had to bring the production indoors because it was so cold and windy outside and we couldn't get the right footage. It was just, again, very windy, and every time I would speak, it was just ridiculous. Before I begin this video, I really want to preface that I have cellulite myself, and I have it mostly in my thighs, and I'm not ashamed of it. Some people may deem having cellulite as an imperfection, but I personally love myself the way that I am, along with all of my imperfections, and that's the little one on the side, she's talking. So for the most part, I personally love myself the way that I am and my imperfections. Regardless of what type of cellulite you may have or what your cellulite may look like, most people want to get rid of their cellulite, so this video is just going to touch bases on that, and let's get to it. So the question is, how do we get rid of cellulite? Cellulite is fat deposits that appear underneath the layer of skin. This is an issue for most women because in some areas, maybe the back of the arm, the glutes, the side of your thighs, you may see like cottage cheese appearance of skin, and it bothers a lot of women. Sometimes it can make us insecure. Sometimes, you know, we may feel like something is wrong with our skin, or it may be genetic. The way to eliminate the appearance of cellulite is by dropping the body fat percentage. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but in the past, I've dropped my body fat percentage so low that my cellulite wasn't there. Like my cellulite completely disappeared, and that's because those areas is where us as women, we carry most of the fat. We carry most fat around our glutes, our thighs, you know, but the back of the arms, that's where most of the fat is. Dropping your body fat percentage, well, how do I do that? Mostly it's taking care of your health, having a well-balanced diet, making sure that we're balancing out our carbs, protein, and fats. Because in addition to dropping your cellulite, you have to definitely focus on toning and building lean muscle tissue that is going to require work not only in the house but also in the gym. Doing it safely. If those who are not educated when it comes to training in the gym, hire a professional trainer or have a friend with you that is well versed in the gym and know exactly what they're doing, because the last thing I want anybody to do is to walk into a gym and wind up hurting themselves. I want to see most of my women not being afraid of the gym. There's a massaging apparatus that people may use to get rid of cellulite. I personally have never used that, so I can't really give my opinion regarding to massaging cellulite away. I can only give you knowledge based off of my own personal experience, and my personal experience with getting rid of cellulite is definitely dropping body fat and making sure my nutrition was on point. Now, at that time when I dropped my body fat percentage, that wasn't my goal maintenance weight. And again, I don't have a problem with my cellulite. I actually love my body the way that it is, but it was actually cool to see the transition and how I was able to get rid of that. And again, I am sharing this with you because I tend to carry more fat in my thigh area, and that's where the cellulite is going to appear. So the heavier I am, the more cellulite I'm going to have. The lighter I am, the less cellulite is going to appear. So having cellulite have nothing to do with overweight. It has more so to do with the fat deposits that are appearing underneath the skin. What type of exercise do I perform to get rid of cellulite? You can do everything. And when I walked into the gym for the first time, what I did was I took advantage of the classes that the gym provides because I had no knowledge and training on my own, and I didn't know how to use all the scary equipment on the side. The gym partner that I had at the time was my boyfriend, who is now my husband, and he definitely helped to educate me on how to train and use the weight training equipment. So I had the luxury of training with someone who was well knowledgeable in the gym, and I was able to transfer that knowledge into being a certified professional. And not only that, I was able to help a lot of people, and I am still able to help a lot of people both online And personally, if you are an individual who are in need of help with your health and fitness goal, please don't hesitate to contact me. My information and website is going to be either in the description box or in the video. So taking care of your nutrition, you don't know where to start, you don't know where to begin. Mostly making sure that you're eating balanced meals, and we have that program that's going to be available as well. It's going to show you exactly what I like to consume on a day-to-day basis that helps me to stay focused. And it's not bland, boring food. It's going to be a visual of everything that I eat. All of the ingredients that I use in my program is going to be so beneficial and helpful and transferable to any aspect of your life, because then you're going to be more knowledgeable of what you're consuming. Main goal is to make sure that eating right, we're working out, we're being consistent, and we're dropping our body fat percentage. Being consistent, our meals are balanced, and if you need help, again, my website link is going to be in the description, and it's also going to be in the video. I thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, go ahead and engage in the comments below of any questions that you may have, and I'll see you next time. Take care.